Welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do W. W says W. So am swam, so am swam. Let's go swimming, it's so much fun to swim in the pool with everyone. Let's go swimming, it's so much fun to do. It's true. You can swim on your back, you can swim on your side, have a loll around, make a splash so high. Swim in the sea or swim in the pool. You can really have a great time. Just wait and see what you can do. Oh yeah. Anna van, Anna van. Drive Vix van round the village. 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 Wet, wet. When I grow up, what will I be? I close my eyes and dream on. What do I see? I want to be a wet. Yes, that's what I'll be. When animals are sick, they will call me. Right? You want to be a vet? A vet is an animal's doctor. Vest, vest, and he's wearing a vest. A vest is worn under the shirt. Vicar. A vicar is somebody who prays, who represents God. That means he is like a priest or a sadhu or something like that. So he's a vicar. Vicar, AR says R. AR says R. Vex. Don't vex me. Don't trouble me. Vivid. Vivid. The vivid colors of the rainbow. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can see the vivid rainbow, the vivid rainbow, the vivid rainbow true. Visit. Visit. I'm going to visit you. I'm going to come to your house and visit you. Velvet. Velvet. Velvet is a type of material. Like teddy bears are made of velvet and it's very soft. Vent. Now in the bathroom there are vents. So all the poo-poo smell and all the wee-wee smell can come out of the bathroom. Otherwise it's too smelly inside. So we need vents or exhaust fans in the bathroom. Yes. Yes. Johnny. Yes, Papa. Eating sugar? No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. Did you like that song? Johnny. Yes, Papa. Eating sugar? No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. Yap. The mommy's on the bus, go yap. The mommy's on the bus, go yap all day long. Yelp. When you hit the dog will yelp. You say like that, yelp. Yak. A yak is a mountain goat. Okay. Yet. When we're going on a journey, when we're going from one place to another and we're driving, and then the children get very restless. They want to reach fast. So they keep asking, are we there yet? And you say, no, not yet. It's still going to take time. yank, yank. I'm going to yank out my tooth. I'm going to pull it out. Yam. A yam is a vegetable. Yell. Now, if you are a little child and a stranger comes to you and holds you, you have to run, shout, yell, and tell somebody. So run, yell means shout loudly, and tell a big grown-up, see this man, he's trying to catch me. Okay, don't just stand there and say and go do whatever they tell you to do. A-R says R, yard. In front of the house is a garden. Behind the house is the yard. You keep your old bicycles in the yard, or the pots and the rake and the gardening tools in the yard. Six little ducks that I once knew, fat one, skinny one, some like you. But the one little duck with a feather on his back waddled to his mother with a quack, 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 quack. Waddled to his mother with a quack, quack, quack. Fox. Four little foxes playing in the wood. The one ran fast just to see if he could. He ran too fast and he stubbed his toe. That poor fox has to hurry back home. Okay, so 4 little foxes. Foxes are reddish brown in color and they like to eat chickens. Next. The next time I will come with you. Text. I'm sending you a text message on WhatsApp or on Messenger or just anything that is written down, or you type it on your phone. Fix. Bob the Builder, can you fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Box. Cat is hiding down in his box until someone opens the lid. 1, 2, 3. Meow, meow. So when the cat is hiding and then we open the lid and they say meow. Wax. And I'm burning a candle and the wax is melting and it goes onto the side of the candle. Wax. Fax. I'm sending you a fax message. Mix. The mixer in the bowl goes The mixer in the bowl goes mixing the food together. Now we're going to read it first sound to the last sound and we're going to make trains. Are you ready? Okay. Swam. Van. Vet. Vest. Vicar. Vex. Vivid. Visit. Velvet. Vent. Yes. Yap. Yelp. Yak. Yet. Yank. Yam. Yell. Yard. Six. Fox. Next. Text. Fix. Box. Wax. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.